every step of learning. Hi guys, today we're gonna do guitar! That's my dad's favorite. Well, I can call my mom Honey because she's a little bit sweet like honey. Like sweet honey. I've got my pick here. That's what you should need if you're guitaring. If it's hard for you, you should always have a pick. If thumbs are not hard for you, you can use thumbs. But if thumbs is not good to you, that means you can use picks. There are 2 basic rules in every step of learning. The first rule is always keep your eye on the teacher. Second rule is always hear the teacher while you look at the teacher. Those are the 2 basic rules. So put your ears up to volume 10. Like this. Scoot, 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 scoot. And look at me. Just like I said. Like this. Okay? Good job. Okay. Now, can you see me and can you hear me? Yes. Good job. Tell me if you did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're ready. Set, go to guitar. Wait, I have something like... Okay, Mom, who scrambled this?
I didn't.
Okay, if no one scrambled this, it's okay, but someone needs to flatten this, okay? Guys, well, I'm talking to my mom, not you, okay? So, moving on. Okay. AM7. This is AM7. Wait. AM7. You don't need to touch this. You have to touch. You just skip 1 and go here and there. Skip 1. Skip 1. Go here and then there. Stay here. Skip 1. Skip 1. Go here. You need to keep that finger there, okay? You don't have to do this, okay? I think as that a note, but it's not a note, okay? So don't do that, okay? If you did it, do a thumbs up. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's correct. Now, strum. Wait, not all of them strum. So if not all of them strum, you can try again. But if not all of them strummed again, you don't need to do that again. If you didn't do it right, that's okay. But you can try again, and then you can pause it, try again, and then you're ready to go again. Nope. Okay, I can skip now because I already did that like so many times. Okay, this is gonna be a sweet one. Wait, guys. I think this one has... Okay, we're ready. Does it sound sweet? That's right, it sounds sweet. Now the D, it's a little bit hard, but easy. Mommy, well, I'm sorry for bothering my mom. Just ignore me because I'm all... Okay, this one and this one haven't done the record, okay? So, but still, moving on. This will be a sad record, okay? If it's hard for you, you can do it here. So if you see this part, just go back and then do all the things again. Well, after we do the last chord. If you didn't hear that, you just go back and we can start all over again, and after we do the C chord, okay? Okay, that was not the C chord. That was the E chord. Okay. This is gonna be a tricky one when I sing, okay? Okay, do you know the Lord? If you know the Lord, good. Okay? This is the song for the Lord, okay? So everyone can sing with me, only if you can do it a little bit fast, you can sing with me. But if you're an adult, you can sing with me. You can do it like fast, because adults can do their hands quickly and fast. If you don't know the Lord, you have to accept Him as in your personal life. Savior too. And you can sing along with me if you can do it quickly, but if you can do it a little slow, I guess not, because you won't pass the trial, okay? So only if you grow 10 maybe, you can try it on. If it's medium speed, that's okay, because medium speed is a little bit fast, and I do medium speed, so that's what I do.
Are you ready?
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name, sing like my dad forgot to put the I, okay? I'm not going to put I because I might remember and start all over. But not start all over again. I'm just going to go back to and then sing I and I worship. And I worship His holy name. Worship and I'll worship His holy name. Worship His that I added it to here beside the D and the G to make it a little bit nice. But it sounds the same if you do it like that.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.